Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, I will give you a tutorial on how to use and declare ng model in AngularJS, a very popular JavaScript framework. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my websites. Before we start, I would like to inform everyone that before you can use AngularJS in your computer, there are two ways to use it. Number one, if you are connected to the internet, you can use the CDN or the Content Delivery Network, which means that you don't need to have the library file of AngularJS physically in your computer. And then the other one is to download the AngularJS library from the internet and install it in your computer, or put the folder together with AngularJS in your computer. In this case, we will put the AngularJS main.js in a folder. So we have here a series of comments, and then we have started with HTML, head, the title, ng model example in AngularJS, style. We have here a simple CSS or cascading style sheet declaration, body, font family Arial, font size 25px, font weight bold, and then here we include a library file of AngularJS main.js. So to use the ng model, we start with div ng-app h1 ng-model header 1 example in AngularJS. So give a string input ng model string, size of the text box is 50, and then it will display the binding here. Whatever we type in the text box will be displayed here because of the use of the ng bind in AngularJS, the string. The ng model is act as a variable using header 2, so here, we close it by /div division /body in HTML. As I said earlier, I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code for free in my two websites. Let's go to our browser. I'm using Opera GX as my browser here in this example. So here in model example in AngularJS example, I will type JS programming. So take a closer look. Every time that I type the character or a letter, it will display automatically on the page. So very interactive. So let's say we have here 8 information. Pardon me for my typing error. Technology. So observe properly. Every time that I write a character, it will display the word. I will omit the Y. Okay, so here we go. So this is the demonstration on how to declare and use ng model example in AngularJS, a very popular programming library, a JavaScript library. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share, and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.